Investors trying to diversify their portfolios are flocking to the leading cryptocurrencies. Many developing businesses are already embracing cryptocurrencies as valid forms of payment, making today an ideal time to invest in cryptocurrencies dependent on your financial situation. But where should you put your money without breaking the bank? But first, hello and welcome back to the channel Upstep Financial. We are back with another video about the world of finances. We bring you content about your best financial info, so please subscribe to the channel and enable alerts to be notified of each new upload. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Cryptocurrencies are hot right now, especially among speculative investors. What was formerly considered a peripheral investment is now a hot topic in the financial press. Even financial networks like CNBC discuss Bitcoin regularly and display a ticker with the current price on the screen. When all of this is considered, even the ordinary investor is now familiar with Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency trend. Many individuals, however, are likely unaware that Bitcoin is not the only cryptocurrency available. If you want to avoid the big names and get your crypto fix elsewhere, there are lots of possibilities. Just keep in mind that each cryptocurrency is distinct and you should get advice from a financial professional before investing. If you're ready to invest in cryptocurrency, take a look at these 10 low-cost options that could pay off handsomely in 2022. Shiba Inu is a solid first choice. It's most known as a joke cryptocurrency established anonymously to parody Dogecoin, which was founded to parody Shiba Inu, a Japanese dog breed, memes spreading on the internet. Shiba Inu has a market capitalization of $11.9 billion, despite its comical roots. It's one of the numerous dog-themed cryptos on the market right now, but it's by far the most popular. The fact that Shiba Inu is a meme coin with a growing community accounts for the majority of its appeal as a crypto to invest in. Around the Shiba Inu coin, that community built a non-fungible token initiative. According to the Shiboshi's website, the NFTs, known as Shiboshis, contain qualities that correspond to a planned Shiboshi game. Shiboshi will be available for usage in the game for those who own it. Shiba Inu might as well, so join the ranks of game coins such as Decentraland, broadening its appeal and potentially accelerating its growth. Decentraland is another excellent choice. Decentraland is the name of the virtual reality game based on the Ethereum network. Decentraland is a 3D virtual environment described by Securities.io as a place where users can acquire land to produce and monetize content, buy goods and services, and visit other properties. This crypto project isn't exactly a toy, with a market valuation of $4.246 billion. Decentraland has increased by 1,356% in the last year. And now we're down to our third option, the Sandbox. The Sandbox is a blockchain-based metaverse, a virtual game that allows users to create, purchase, sell, and acquire digital assets using a play-to-earn approach. According to CoinMarketCap, Pixowl built this game in 2011 to introduce blockchain to popular gaming. Atari, Helix, and CryptoKitties are among the investors. With all the buzz about Metaverse right now, Facebook even changed its name to Meta. Blockchain games like the Sandbox could be just getting started. We know it's been on a lot of lists when it comes to cryptocurrency that's worth investing in, but still, Stellar is one of our choices. Stellar is its own payment network, with Stellar Lumens serving as the network's currency. While anybody can use the network, it was designed to connect financial firms that conduct massive transactions. Unlike traditional or even competing blockchain networks, these types of transactions may be completed almost instantly and at a low cost on the Stellar network. The price of Stellar Lumens has been quite unpredictable over the last year, but despite the current slump affecting most coins, industry analysts expect huge gains in 2022. Watching Bitcoin pricing can give you a feel of where XML is headed, according to InvestorPlace. The two cryptos often move in similar ways. Finally, we have the Polygon to close up our first half. Polygon is a decentralized Ethereum application that aims to turn Ethereum into a multi-chain system. Polygon, which is backed by the crypto exchanges Coinbase and Binance, could be the solution developers need to deploy decentralized applications faster, more efficiently, and at a lower cost, according to Benzinga, who calls Matic the most promising Layer 2 token, one built on top of an existing blockchain. All crypto investments are very risky, but it could be a good indicator that Matic held its ground during a sell-off in early December 2021, gaining 21% while other cryptos dropped, according to US government data, as was reported in the news. Hey friend, we've made it halfway through our list and we sincerely hope you've enjoyed it thus far. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and turn on notifications to be notified of new uploads. Let's begin the second part of our list with Cardano. Even after its 194% gain over the past year, Cardano remains a very affordable cryptocurrency for most investors at just over $1. Cardano, according to Coinbase, is a blockchain platform based on the Ouroboros proof-of-stake consensus algorithm, which can validate transactions without consuming a lot of energy. The Haskell programming language was used to develop Cardano. Ada Lovelace, a 19th century mathematician, inspired the Cardano token symbol, ADA. Ouroboros, according to its creators, allows for the decentralization of the Cardano network and the ability to scale to global demand without compromising security. Cardano has a strong track record so far. According to InvestorPlace, it has processed over 20 million transactions with minimal downtime, and it recently released ADA Cash, a reward token that has garnered 10,000 users in less than a month. A non-fungible token marketplace and a DeFi transaction exchange are among the upcoming developments. Hydra, a future improvement, is expected to significantly enhance processing streams, according to InvestorPlace. We now have the USD Coin. USD Coin is a stablecoin, meaning that its value is tied to the value of another asset, in this case, the US dollar. In comparison to other cryptocurrencies, it is very stable, with USD Coin prices fluctuating by only a few hundredths of a cent before returning to $1. Although you cannot profit by buying low and selling high like other tokens, you can earn interest by lending your USD Coin using a decentralized finance platform such as Aave. USD Coin is co-managed by Coinbase, a cryptocurrency exchange, and Circle, a digital payments firm that filed a registration statement with the Securities and Exchange Commission in August 2021 ahead of its merger with Concord Acquisition Corp. Circle will go public with a $4.5 billion value thanks to the special purpose acquisition company merger, according to the announcement. Coinbase began publicly trading in April 2021. Then there's ChainLink. ChainLink is an Ethereum currency that powers the ChainLink decentralized Oracle network, according to Coinbase. This network is used to connect external data sources, APIs, and payment systems safely and securely. ChainLink describes itself as a platform that enables real-world data and off-chain computing to enhance smart contract capabilities, while keeping the benefits of blockchain technology such as security and reliability assurances. The ChainLink price fluctuates a lot, but it's presently at $16.13, down roughly 30% year after year, providing investors a chance to get in on the ground floor. Are you looking forward to the top one? We'll unveil that in a moment, but first, let's look at number 2, which is the Dogecoin. Dogecoin started as a joke, but for those who are now earning from it, it has taken on a life of its own. The coin was cheap on January 29th when it was under 15 cents per coin, especially when contrasted to its 52-week high of 73 cents. In comparison to a year ago, the current price is down almost 58%. Dogecoin was founded as a satirical spin on Bitcoin, unlike many other cryptocurrencies that have real-world applications. The cryptocurrency climbed significantly earlier this year as a result of buzz on message boards as well as Elon Musk's tweets. This is the same type of conjecture that pushed GameStop stock up 400% in a single week earlier this year. Of course, for individuals who are making real money and are still looking for cheap cryptocurrencies, none of this matters, and this one may pay off in the following year. Musk indicated in a tweet in December 2021 that Tesla will make some stuff buyable with Doge and see how it goes. And to top it off, we have XRP. XRP is an open-source cryptocurrency that runs on the XRP ledger, an open-source distributed ledger. Ripple, an enterprise blockchain business that allows worldwide transactions, created it. XRP was created for payments, according to Ripple, and can settle transactions faster, more reliably, and at a lower cost than the current global payment infrastructure. Even though Ripple is now involved in a lawsuit launched by the United States. While XRP's price has risen almost 135% in the last year, it is still available for under $1, according to the Securities and Exchange Commission, which believes it participated in unregistered securities trading. Furthermore, a new lawsuit filed by a government watchdog group alleging that SEC officials are biased against Ripple and XRP and have conflicts of interest may aid in the resolution of the Ripple litigation in favor of investors. According to FX Street, Ripple acquired $200 million in Series C shares from one of its investors as part of an attempt to bolster its balance sheet before going public. After the SEC lawsuit is resolved, it is expected that Ripple will announce its IPO. Which one do you think is the best? Let us know in the comments. That concludes today's video. We hope you've enjoyed this one, so please subscribe to the channel and enable alerts to be notified of new uploads. This is Upstep Financial, and we'll see you in our next video. Have a good day!